Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the second episode of our series from Zero to Hero. And today we are going to create a learning plan. Like I told in the earlier video, we need a balanced plan, like a balanced diet, to learn English properly, effectively. Like a balanced diet helps you stay healthy, a balanced plan can help you learn English effectively and easily. So before starting this second episode, I just want to confirm that you have understood why you are learning English and also you have set your goals. You can get all this from the first episode. If you haven't watched it yet, please try to watch it first and then watch this second video. I'll pin it up here, so that it will be more easy for you to understand this second episode if you watch the first one. In the first one, we told that you should first understand what is your motivation, why are you learning English for? And then second, we told that you need to set goals. You should have proper goals to learn English, to be on track, to stay focused and to stay motivated. After all that, now let's create a learning plan, a proper learning plan that can help you learn English, to improve your English, to speak English easily. Whether you are just starting out or you are looking to take your skills into the next level, having a clear plan is going to be a game changer for you. So watch this video till the end to find a proper plan to learn English. Let's look at the importance of learning plan. First of all, why do you need a learning plan? Well, imagine you are trying to reach a destination, but you have no map. You would get lost. Obviously, you cannot understand the roads and you will get lost, in fact. Learning a language is the same. Without a proper plan, you can easily lose your focus or not make real progress. A structured plan keeps you focused, it keeps you on track and ensures that you are covering all the areas that you should cover in an English learning journey, or the things that you need to focus, which are very important when you are learning a language. So, why do you think you need a learning plan? Because you need to stay focused, measure progress, balance skills, and achieve your goals. Now, let's break down your learning areas. Okay, now that you have your goals ready, the next step is to break down the different areas of English you need to improve. These areas are usually listening, reading, writing, speaking, grammar, vocabulary. 6 areas. It's important to work on all those areas to create a well-rounded plan. You cannot leave out any of this. However, you can prioritize the areas that you need more. Like if you are working and you need to speak more English, you can improve or you can give more time to improve your speaking skills. You can do all that, but you need to improve all areas. Like they all are related, reading, writing, speaking, everything is related. So it's important to understand and to improve all areas in English. Now let's create a weekly schedule. This is weekly ones and not daily schedule. This is a weekly schedule. I'll talk about the daily schedule in the next episode. You don't have to make it very complicated. This can be very simple. The main thing is consistency. You should be consistent in learning English. You need to daily learn English. You cannot skip any day. You know what? If you are busy on Monday or if you are busy on Tuesday, just leave that day and split that time into your other days. Like that, you need to compensate. You need to make up the time that you lost. Or if you are busy on Tuesday, just spend at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes just to revise English. When you're traveling, listen to music, English music. Or when you are having food, just watch an English video. Like that, whenever you get time, just spend at least 5 minutes for English. Start by deciding how much time you can realistically dedicate to each week. Is it 30 minutes a day? Maybe an hour every other day. Maybe you have time only on weekends. That's fine. You just need to decide the timings and keep your plan ready. When I say you should have proper 30 minutes a day, if you are planning to learn for 30 minutes a day, you should have that 30 minutes. Why I'm saying this? During my childhood, I was not that interested in learning. And in between my learning hours, like my mom used to say, you need to study for 3 hours this day. Even my brother is the same. He is currently doing the same thing what I have did during my childhood. And we get like 3 hours. You should learn every day 3 hours. And in that time, we feel very thirsty, we feel very hungry. We go and drink water a lot of times. We say, Mom, I'm hungry, I need something to eat. We include all those activities in that 3 hours so that we can somehow push that 3 hours and finish that 3 hours and go and play. So don't do that. You need to keep 30 minutes, or if it's 1 hour should be there. You should work for 30 minutes or 1 hour to learn your English. How much time? Like if you have only 10 minutes, that's fine, but you need to be very focused for that 10 minutes. Now coming back to the plan, your weekly plan should include all the skills. Also, you can stress on any skill if you want to prioritize that particular skill. That is fine, but you should include all the skill in a week. In 1 week, all the skill should be included. I'll give you an example. This is a rough idea. You can create your own plan. I'm just giving you a rough idea. Monday, 30 minutes listening practice. You can listen to podcasts or videos without subtitles on Monday for continuously 30 minutes. Tuesday, 30 minutes speaking practice. Speak to your friend or speak about a topic or about your day for 30 minutes. You need to work on speaking for 30 minutes. Wednesday, reading. Read an article, newspaper, any storybooks, anything. Read anything, a magazine, whatever you are interested in. Choose that and read it for 30 minutes. Thursday, writing. Write about anything. Write a journal or write about any topic, any random topic from your surroundings, and write about that topic for 30 minutes. Friday, review vocabulary from the week. On Fridays, you need to learn the new words that you found while you were watching or listening or reading English. You might come across new words while you are doing all this. So you need to find those words and you need to learn it, or you need to review it on Friday. And if you can, learn extra new words like 10 new words or 20 new words on Fridays. Saturday, grammar. Saturday is for grammar. Choose a grammar topic, learn about it, do exercises, or you can use any app to learn about these grammars, watch videos related to this grammar, and learn everything about grammar. And Sunday, it's a free day, but you're not that free. Try to watch any English movies or English songs. Do something that is interesting in English. If you want, you can speak to your friend in English. If you want to have a good gossip with your friend, grab your phone, call her, and try to have that gossip in English. Do something fun in English on Sundays. So guys, this is a weekly plan. You can make changes in this plan. If you want to stress on any particular skill, you can give more time for that skill. Or if you want to combine two skills, you can do that. You can do reading and writing on the same day. You can combine and do, or if you want to give 2 days for speaking, you can do it like that. Monday, Tuesday speaking. You can change this and plan according to your wish, according to your comfort and your priorities. Don't forget to review what you have learned and also make time for fun activities. Don't make English learning a burden. Don't make it like a work that you have to do daily. This is not the end. Now you need to track your progress. Whenever you are learning a new language, it's important to track your progress. You should see how far you have come. This can help you stay motivated and focused. Try to keep a journal to write about what you learned each day, or use any apps that can help measure your progress. You can also set small milestones, like you were able to order food in English, or you were able to understand an article. Like that, you can keep small milestones too to understand your progress. And also stay flexible and adjust. Sometimes life gets busy and you might not be able to complete a particular task, or you might not be able to do a particular skill on a particular day. So don't panic over it. Don't feel bad about it. Oh, I was too busy, I cannot progress in my English. Don't feel anything like that. Just be flexible and try to adjust. Try to adjust that, that time somewhere else. Don't stress yourself over this plan. You should keep calm, be positive, and try to learn English easily. So guys, there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a balanced and effective learning plan to help you reach your English goals. My next episode is about 45 minutes a day to learn English. So stay tuned for that video. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.